This is called elbow painting. I'm Rob Black, and this is part of a series of short lessons to help you find ease in your neck and shoulders. This one called elbow painting. You'll be sitting at the front of a chair or on the floor, whichever is more comfortable. And as you're sitting there, sense the distance between each shoulder and the earlobe on the same side. Which side feels longer? Which side feels shorter? To begin with, choose the side that feels shorter. Raise the arm on that side overhead as close to the ear as possible and let the forearm rest on top of the head. Your hand could dangle down to the opposite ear. You may sense a little pull on that side. Begin to let the elbow sink down to the side, as if to ease that pull, and then rise again, repeating. Slowly, you'll feel the ribs on that side coming together, and as you repeat, the elbow sinking on the side. The next time you want to let the elbow sink, sense the opposite ribs. The opposite ribs open as the elbow goes down. Then the next time the elbow sinks, think of breathing in to the opposite ribs, allowing them to spread apart. Then as you breathe out, the ribs on that side come together. Repeat several times. Then, as you bring the elbow down to this same side, sense the ribs on the same side, that they're shortening as you go down, and then lengthening a bit as you return. Now add in breathing as you go down, sensing how the out-breath assists the ease in the ribs coming together, and the in-breath helps the elbow to rise. Repeat 3 or 4 times, gently, slowly, and then rest with the arm down. Observe if there's been a noticeable change in the distances between the shoulders and earlobes. Now let's do the same on the other side. That is, raise the arm on that other side, bring it overhead as close to the ears as comfortable, and then let the forearm rest on top of the head. Your hand could dangle down to the opposite ear, and let the elbow sink down to that side. Then rise again. You'll feel the ribs on that side coming together, and as you repeat, the elbow sinking to the side. The next time you want the elbow to sink, sense the opposite ribs. The opposite ribs open as the elbow goes down and come together as the elbow returns. The very next time the elbow sinks, think of breathing into the opposite ribs, allowing them to spread apart, and then as you breathe out, let the ribs come back together. Repeat several times. Now change, so that as you bring the elbow down, sense the ribs on the same side shortening as you go down, and lengthening a bit as you return. Add in breathing out as you go down, sensing how the out-breath assists the ease of the ribs coming together, and the in-breath helps the elbow to rise. Repeat that a few more times, gently and easily, and then rest with the arm down. Observe if there's been a noticeable change in the distance between your shoulders and the earlobes. Maybe your neck feels longer. Notice the change in the ease of your shoulders and your neck. You may also notice the increase in the ease in your breathing. Well, thank you very much. You can repeat this as you feel necessary, maybe increasing the number of times you do it, or increase the gentleness and ease and the simplicity in doing it. Thank you.